Hello, welcome to Math 1324. This is Chapter 10, Section 4, Example 6. In this example, we want to solve 16 to the x plus 4 equals 64 to the 2x minus 5. Okay, so this time, notice that 16 and 64, they're not prime, neither one of them. So we can bring them down to their prime factors. And there's actually more than one way to do this. But just to make sure we're not trying to make it too complicated, I'm just going to go down to the most prime factors that we can get. So I'm going to take the 16 and factor it. Well, let's have a 2 and 8. 8 gives us 2 and 4, and 4 gives us 2 and 2. At the ends of these branches, we have 2's, a whole bunch of them. So that would be 2 to the 4th power. Now let's look at the 64. Well, with the 64, it's divisible by 2, so let's go 2 and 32. And 32 is divisible by 2, so that's 2 and 16. And I've actually already done 16, so I'm going to make that 4 and 4 and 2 and 2. So now notice we have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Anyway, how many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So 64 is actually 2 to the 6th power. Notice how we get 2 to the 4th and 2 to the 6th. So what I'm going to do is replace the 16 with 2 to the 4th power, replace the 64 with 2 to the 6th power. And that's going to give me 2 to the 4th to the x plus 4 is equal to 2 to the 6th to the 2x minus 5. Awesome. At this point, we have to distribute the 4 to both the x and the 4, distribute the 6 to both the 2x and the negative 5. And this is going to give me 2 to the 4x plus 16 is equal to 2 to the 12x minus 30. And I'll be honest with you, if you're going to mess up here, this is probably it. You probably forgot to distribute, so be careful with that. And notice that we have a base of 2 on both sides, which means that the exponents must be equal to each other. And then just solve this any way you can. Me, I'm going to subtract the 4x and add the 30. So 16 plus 30 is 46. 12x minus 4x is 8. So we get 46 equals 8x. Okay, good deal. Is that exactly what we wanted there? Yes, 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 and yes. Okay, good deal. Sorry, just checking my math there. So divide by 8 on both sides. So we get 46 over 8. But simplified, let's divide them both by 2. That makes that 23 over 4. And that's as simplified as you can get. So guess what? There's your answer. Not too bad. Not too easy, but not too bad. At least I hope so. Alrighty, well, I believe that's it for this example. I'll see you in the next one. Have fun.